Hi! Since many of you are migrating data from the Mathcad legacy version to Mathcad Prime, we've thought of recording a set of short videos on the matter. Today we're going to see how solve blocks behave in the conversion process. If in the past you used to work with solve blocks, then you already know that in the legacy Mathcad version are constructed as follows. We start by defining some input values for, let's say, x, y, and z to start our calculation from. Then we need to type the word given, and afterwards, as restrictions for what we want to compute, we write our equations. The last step is to ask for a solution by using a solving function. More specifically, in this example, the find function to find x, y, and z. And now we can evaluate the solution. After converting the legacy Mathcad file containing this solve block into PTC Mathcad Prime, you'll see that it looks differently and has a more organized structure. In Prime, it can be inserted from the Math tab. It's right here. You'll no longer have the word given, but this rectangle with all the predefined parts, listed by their names on its left side. Guess values, constraints, and solver. The software has no way of knowing that these are the guess values that we want to use, since in the legacy Mathcad version are defined previously to mentioning the solve block starting point, that is the word given. So we could have had other things defined here maybe as well. That is why, after conversion, the input values are left outside the solve block structure. If we want to make some calculations with them, as they are not considered for now as a solve block part, but part of the worksheet, we can see the result. After we cut and paste them in the solve block, this result will turn into an error message. Note that in both Mathcad files, you'll need to use the equal to operator when defining the limits, different than other equal sign operators. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned for more Mathcad tips.